Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing something that Will played on his channel. Vehicle Simulator. I'm not getting the Cybertruck or anything like he did. Well, because literally like an hour ago. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, I already have it. Can this guy go away? Anyways, probably the best car I have still though is the Corvette Stingray. It's a level 5 and it does 195 in speed. So yeah. Alright. So I don't really know what to do in this video. We can go do a few races, maybe get a car. I want to upgrade the Cybertruck because I just got it and it doesn't make me that much money. It's not even that good, but it's $100,000. Like, I feel like they could have made it better for 100K. Kind of regretted buying it after. Okay, I'm really messing up. See, when you're in races on your own, you get less money if you win because you're on your own. But you still get like 500. So it's good to just do races on your own as well. Looks like I'm not doing it on my own. I'm doing it against someone called... I'm in trouble. Big trouble. They are really good. It's not letting me move. There we go. Well, now you get to watch me lose, because it wouldn't let me move. Okay. Yeah, so you basically just get money out of this. I think even if I'm in a game like this and come second, I still get more money than 500. I might get 750. No, that's if you're in a game of 3. So the final person gets 500. I don't really know. Okay, my Discord's open apparently. So yeah, that's a race for you. So I'll show you some of the most expensive cars in this game. It's not even the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck's 100K, and it gets insane once you go to the Superstore. I'm pretty sure it's called. Oh, I might have went too far. To be honest, it's really hard to find your way around this place. Like, oh, I haven't even seen here yet. These are the mega car dealership. I haven't even been here before. So these are even more expensive than I thought. 2 million. Bugatti Veyron. There's a 2.7 million. Holy. What's the most expensive car in the game? There's a McLaren in here. That's 3 million for a McLaren F1. Bugatti Vision. This must be the most expensive. 5 freaking million. That's stupid. Who would spend that much time of their day just so they could have 5 million money? I've seen people with no cars with 200K money because they just sit there in the game confused on what they're doing because they don't know that they need to claim a plot. It's hilarious. So I'm pretty sure I need 40K to upgrade my thingy. What is it called? Oh yeah, Cybertruck. So yeah, let's try to get that much money. Okay. So I just figured out. Yeah, I have about enough if we go back to the main area now. I think I have enough to upgrade my Cybertruck. So I'm pretty sure Will Cybertruck's max, and he said he gets a lot of money just by riding it around for a bit. Sorry, I'm having a problem. I could just jump out right now because I'm not using the car that I'm upgrading with. Alright, so Cybertruck. No, I went too far down. There it is, 42k, level 2 Cybertruck. There we go. Might as well show you guys it. If we haven't watched Will's video, you should go check out Will's video because I'm pretty sure it goes into more detail and uses the Cybertruck more because his whole video is about it. So if you want to know more about the Cybertruck, go to his. If you just want to watch the game being played, stay at mine. I think he goes and does a few races too, though. I still need to finish that video because I haven't watched it all yet. And trust me, you need to watch every Cookie William video in the whole thing. I'm just gonna use the regular search. Okay, let's see how much money we're making. 218. That's only a little bit less than I'm making right now, and it's a level 2. If we went from like 168 to 218, that's pretty good. I also got a lot faster. Like, I bet you at level 5 it's actually pretty good. But that's a while away. So yeah. There's some things I haven't even upgraded yet. What, like, the slowest car I have is the original car. I haven't upgraded it at all yet, which is probably a bad idea. I'll show you. It's a Volkswagen. There we go. Look, literally, it only does like 100. 123. Wow, I thought that was a lot worse. Oh yeah. Then I got my Mario Kart. This 5,000 it says, but like, and then you need Robux for it. So yeah. And then we got the Mario Kart right here. What's this place? I've never been here, but I always see it. So I'm gonna go check it out. Bye. We got some blocks to go. Why not? What's that do? Is that it? Wow. I think this is full level, right? Or I might see it. 168. That's how fast it is. It's alright. I'm gonna do this ramp on Mario Kart, dude. Okay. We gotta get a perfect angle, so. Okay, we're going really far back. Okay, like. There we go. That's really all I wanted to do. Alright, we're trying to make some money, so. Let's use my Corvette Stingray. Find it for a second. No, it's the Cookie William colors. Alright, there we go. So I think I'll catch back in with you guys once something interesting is happening. Yeah. Okay, okay, we're gonna race. It's only me though. So I'm gonna show you how much money you get from doing races on your own, just you. You get about 500, I'm pretty sure. So you'll actually get to see me come first, but it's not that much of a competition. Yeah. It's basically, the whole map is it goes from the start, just basically circles around up to here, turns up there, and then that's the end. It's a pretty boring race, to be honest. I feel like they should do something with this whole map in general. Like, I feel like they could do something cool with it. It's also still snow themed. I guess technically it's still winter. Also, I don't know what happened on Groundhog's Day, so I don't know when if it's coming early or late. I don't know. There we go. So first 500. There you go. That's how it works. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to my place and get something that I've kind of just been leaning off because recently I've just been working for take cars. But what there is a second floor to this place. So, like, once you get to here, you're not completely done. You also, there's one thing for, there's a car for 100K, because there's, 5 cars, I think, that you need to buy here. There's a BMW for 100K, right here. And, yeah, that's the last car you need to buy, at least in the bottom floor. So let's get the second floor, see what's happening up here. Walls. Probably need to put the walls down, figure everything out here. Alright, that's all we can really do. But at least we have it now, so. Dude, what is, I'm locking this guy in. I'm not even lying. I'm locking this guy in. See ya. Hey, my guy. He's so dumb. How good is this guy? 4,000 monies, and only one car. Watch him just get set free, right? Be free, my default. Free. Be free, my son. His name is 009 Shark Boy, man. Can you upgrade it? No. Now get out. Never come back. Alright. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a really random one. I think next episode on this channel will finally be Unturned episode 3. I've just been working on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because Unturned episode 3 will be coming out soon, and we'll finally get to work with Captain Sydney. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.